So as you guys can see, this the bumper right here. This wrap feels nice. This wrap feels nice. The rear axles that I need are on back order. Good morning, you guys, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's the day, man. I'm about to go put in some work. First, we got to go get some breakfast. I'm about to go ahead and hit McDonald's real quick. Give me something light, nothing too crazy. Hey, look, you see I'm doing a video. Why is you beeping? Why is you beeping? No seatbelt gang. No, don't. I'm just joking. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get me some breakfast real quick. I'm about to I got a lot of things to do today. Right now it is 8:40 in the morning. Got to get some work done. You know what I'm saying? You got to get up early to shine, baby. You got to grind to shine, baby. But let's go ahead and get some breakfast real quick. Can I
sausage and cheese, my girl?
Yeah, let me get that, but I don't want no egg and no cheese.
No egg and no cheese? Okay, what kind of drink?
Large sweet tea with light ice.
Large sweet tea with light ice. Okay.
And that's gonna be all.
Okay, total comes out to $7.59 at the first one. You have a good day, sir.
Thank you. You know, sometimes you gotta check the bag, you know what I'm saying? Cause they don't be putting your food all up in there sometimes. Go ahead and check this the griddle real quick before we leave, you know what I'm saying? So, cause I said no egg, no cheese. All right, we good, we good. That's a sign the tank is full. Let's get to it. Guys, so right now what I'm doing right now is I took this subwoofer out the trunk because I'm about to wire up a output converter, which is something that's to plug up my, let me show you guys. Well, it's in here. I got this taped off so bug nothing don't get up inside of there, but it's basically an outlet plug. So I'm gonna be running stars in on the hood, the roof. Then I'm gonna run the stars on the trunk, and then obviously my lights. So as you guys can probably see, I got my rocker panels on already. Just giving you guys a little update. Let me see if I can unlock the door so I can show you guys these LEDs. So you might not see it because it's daytime, but you see them? So those light up purple. So when it's nighttime, they light up purple. Let's go ahead and open this trunk. So yeah, you see I got the trunk. So that's pretty much where my take is gonna go. You see I got all my templates and all that. That's where my take is gonna go for my air suspension. Now I know a lot of people are saying, oh, you haven't done the motor yet. You're supposed to do the motor first. Look, let me tell you guys something, okay? Do your car how you want to do it. People will do the motor first. People will do whatever they want first. If you're the one doing the work, there's like, do it how you want to do it. Don't be like everybody else. This is why I'm being different. You don't see nobody on YouTube, you know what I'm saying, showing you guys the process on doing their own car like this. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing literally the whole 9 yards. So you know, I had people thinking, oh, he ain't gonna touch that car. He ain't gonna touch the motor. Y'all know how much this kit costs? Huh? This kit right here is about 2 bands. Well, I got it on sale for $1,700. They're like 80. Yeah, I think $1,700. $1,780. $1,780. Yeah, just for this kit. Okay? The wrap. This is about $400. Then I had to order some more, so that's another $200. So that's $600. So we got $1,700, then we got $600, then we got the wicker build, that's $100. Okay, let's not mention this hood costs more than your grandma. I'm just playing, but this hood and the rims, that's $2,400. Okay, $2,400, and that's just, I didn't even include the forged carbon fiber. Okay. So all together, okay, all together, I think I got about four. I don't know. I'm gonna have the total, probably like $4,000. I'm gonna have the total somewhere right here. Oh, whoa, wait a minute. We can't forget the beast right here. This beast right here is your whole paycheck. This is $1,000 subwoofer. Okay? Okay. So you do the math. Oh, I'm not even done yet. Damn, I got Mopar parts right here for my engine build. Oh, shoot. Hold on. And I got a damn differential. That differential right there costs $2,400. So a lot of people keep saying, oh, he ain't got the money to do the swap. Bruh, I can literally get a 5.7. A 5.7 for like 3-4 bands, bruh. You get what I'm saying? I can get literally a 5.7 for 3-4 bands, bruh. Okay? Oh, let's go inside the Charger. Let's go inside. Oh, what do we got? Oh, we got the big boy screen. Psst, that's another 800. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what happens when you start worrying about what other people think about what you do. Okay? That's what happens when you worry about what other people don't think. That's what I be wanting to explain to people. Like, this build ain't cheap. I'm doing the whole 9 yards. Like, you explain this to me right now. You see a lot of people go buy Hellcats, Scat Packs. Like, it's not even fun anymore. Like, everybody's getting these cars, but nobody's not really building them. That's what makes you different, and that's what makes your car unique. Anybody can go get a Scat Pack. Anybody can go get an RT. If you want to pay some high interest rate, everybody can go get a Hellcat. Anybody can go, well, I don't know about a Demon 170, but, you know, everybody can get these cars. But I did my homework, and I'm like, damn, nobody has really built their car. You get what I'm saying? Nobody has built their car. And that's what I'm doing. I'm doing it how I want to do it. So, you know what I'm saying? Think about all the parts that I just named. I could have easily bought an engine. You know what I'm saying? Just, boop, take that one out, sell this motor for like $1,500, $2,000. You know what I'm saying? Do the math, you guys. Like, the engine is coming. Like, that can't just be the only thing you guys are worried about, because guess what? When I'm completely done with this car, then y'all will really appreciate it. Well, I'm gonna appreciate it more. I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna appreciate this build. Like, I can sit back and step back and be like, damn, I built this. You know what I'm saying? I did this. I made it how I wanted to make it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what the car game is about. Not about who goes buys the fastest production car. It's about what you do to your car to make your car unique. That's a true car guy right there. Okay, all these wannabes, you know what I'm saying, getting Hellcats, and they think they're the shit. Like, they think anybody can go buy a damn Hellcat, bro. That's production power. Like, you're basically financing versus building, because everybody knows, like, okay, yeah, building is cheaper, but when you actually build your car, people think Hellcats, I'm a Dodge guy, but people think Hellcats are like the fastest cars, and they're not. It's what you do to your car. It's the fast, it may be the fast production car, but where's the fun in that? If you gotta go buy something that's already fully with power, you know what I'm saying? There's no fun in saying you built this. Like, how many car shows have you guys went to and seen Chargers and Hellcats just lined up? Like, it's not even interesting. It's like, damn, what you do to the motor, bro? Damn, you built that? Like, that's the car thing right there. Like, you build your motor, you know what I'm saying? You build your transmission. Obviously, you guys see I got my rear diff. Like, I'm not playing no games, bro. Like, you see, the more this car gets complete, is the closer that the engine is gonna start being shown on this channel. You think about it, okay? I told you guys the process on what I'm doing. So, that's the process of building a car. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm taking y'all along with the journey. You know what I'm saying? Today is the day that the front bumper and the rear bumper is getting fully wrapped. I already got my fenders wrapped and all of that good stuff. Only thing I gotta do is wrap my bumper and put it on. That's pretty much about it. There's nothing else more I gotta do to this body. It's pretty much, that's it. Like, the wrap is gonna be delivered today. This bumper is gonna be on today, but for you guys, you may see it in another video. But yeah, man, like it's coming along, and I'm really grateful, man. So it's pretty much gonna wrap it up. So the only reason why I haven't installed this yet was because the rear axles that I need are on back order. About like, yeah, they're about $1,000 a piece, and I need 2. So that's when it's on back order. So I already had and ordered it, but it has not shipped. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. Like, I'm not delaying this myself. It's the warehouses. If anybody don't know, they're on strike. So like, say for example, with this wide body kit, got it for $1,700. I should have waited because now Vickers that has a deal. It's Black Friday, and with my membership, because you know you pay $14 a month. So with my membership, you can get it for like $1,580. That's like you saving yourself like 210 bucks. You know what I'm saying? So this is why it's always good to wait and shop around. Like I said, if you guys are on a budget, like with the shark fin, I'm getting a shark fin to put right here, like an OEM. I'm not getting that little cheap plastic cover up. I'm going OEM with that. And this wrap feels nice. This wrap feels nice. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm waiting on, man. I do gotta send off my amp today. I was supposed to send this thing off like a long time ago, but I'm gonna send it off today though. So this is my T2500. That's going back in my Honda. If I don't know, I got a T213 in there, and then this right here is a T25. I burnt at the terminal, so I'm getting that repaired. But yeah, I went ahead and built this car too. You know what I'm saying? This car is literally like a tank, you guys. It's literally like a tank. Like, this car got Dynamat. This car has Dynamat on the whole body. Like, I stripped this car down to the bare metal, inside and out. Door panels, let me show you guys. Everything is solid. You get what I'm saying? This probably done added like 400 pounds, but this thing is solid, okay? But not least, I just gotta get, I was gonna run 315, but I'm like, nah, I wanna have proper clearance. So I'm gonna go 305s, and I'm gonna do 315s in the rear. So I'm gonna do 305s in the front, 315s in the rear. Cause I know full way, like for the 2 rears is like 230 for 315s. But somebody explain to me why 305s cost more than 315s. Somebody please explain that to me. Let me show you guys what it looked like at night real quick. So you guys comment down below. I didn't want nothing too bright, you know what I'm saying, to where, you know what I'm saying, because I'm already getting the LEDs on the side. I don't want nothing too bright. You get what I'm saying? So like I said, the bumper's at home, getting ready to wrap that. So I'm gonna wrap it at home, and then I'm gonna just slap it on here. So I'm gonna show you guys what the bumper looks like before I end this video. So as you guys can see, this is the bumper right here. I went ahead and put the inserts in there already. And ooh. She want to be in the video, but got my inserts, as you guys can see, one right here. But the reason why I put those pieces in is because I don't want to wrap, and then next thing you know, I'm pushing this in, and then it just starts peeling the wrap back. So you don't want those problems. You want to put them in first. You guys seen the bumper, but it's pretty much gonna wrap it up. So pretty much just giving you guys an update on what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying, so you guys are not in the dark. I'm pretty much gonna be vlogging a lot. You get what I'm saying, you guys? So sometimes you're gonna see the car, sometimes you're gonna see car meets. It all just depends, you know what I'm saying? You don't know what to expect. This is life of Trey. But without further ado, I hope you guys appreciate it, man. I know you guys can't wait to see this build completed, okay? This thing looks crazy in the sun. This thing looks crazy in the sun. I'm not lying to you. And at night, it's just ridiculous. This is like a whole 360 right here. This is like a whole 360. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a good one. Chase your dreams. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise, all right? Peace.